Reason for less participation of women in sports. At world level, the number of participation of women in the field of sport was really very limited. Before 1970 in Asian Games times, the situation was worst. At the time of at that time, women were not allowed to even watch the Olympic Games. But the number of participation of women at international level has increased for the last 4 decades. It is evidently seen in the Olympics, World Cups, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, and European Championship that etc. But even then, the number of participation of women in sport is still less in comparison to male, especially in India. The following reason may be responsible for low participation of women in sports. Lack of legislation. In 1972, a legislation was passed in the United States of America in which a provision was kept to provide a financial aid to all the educational institutions. As a matter of fact, the legislation was passed to prevent discrimination and to provide equal opportunities to women to participate in the sports at all levels. Equal facilities provided in sports to women as in case of men. As a result of this resolution, the participation of women in sport was enhanced evidently. In India, there is a lack of such a legislation. Here, such type of financial aid is not provided to educational institutions from central government. For providing sport facility, there is a less provision in allocation of budget in comparison to Western countries. After having a glance on sports budget and other facilities provided in women's colleges and schools, it can be observed clearly that there is a less expenditure on them in comparison to men's colleges and schools. Along this, there is a lack of facilities for women in colleges and schools. Lack of time. Majority of women usually have less leisure time than men because they take on greater burden of responsibilities for household work. Some of them have to go for job to earn a living. Therefore, due to lack of time, they cannot participate in such activities. Lack of self-confidence. Women tend to have less self-confidence in comparison to men. Indeed, self-confidence is also linked to sports competition. However, some women have competitive element of sports, but most of them don't participate in sports as these are competitive. Male-dominate culture of sports. There is no doubt that culture of sport is male-dominate. Some women do not opt sports because they see that it is a male-dominate field, being sport is felt to be as odds being feminine. Lack of interest of spectators and no coverage of women's sport. Lack of interest of spectators is one of the major reasons for less participation of women in sport. There is no surprise if there is a less number of spectators in sports competition of women because there is also less number of spectators in sports competition or tournaments of men. A cricket match may be called an expectation when where there is always a huge number of spectators, but not in women's cricket match. Generally, there is no transmission of women's sport competition on TV channel. Here, everyone is concerned about men's cricket. How many times do we watch any sport played by women in India on TV? We hardly watch women's cricket World Cup, women's kabaddi World Cup.